Welcome everybody. So let's get right to it. We have three stocks to watch. Mimo, this stock have a really good jump in the pre-market, and we already had an entry and exit and pre-market update or pre-market live stream that we did on our Discord and Patreon. Of course, we always do live streaming before this live streaming. So we have a really good pump for Mimo, and we entered around the 26, exited around the 30, and we have spotted the short seller here. So now we have another chance for another pump for Mimo. The other one, BFRG, the same. We spotted a really nice reversal here and bottom over the $3. So we have an entry for this one, and we're still waiting for a breakout. And ZVSA, the same. We have spotted a support, and there's a chance for a breakout and test the $1 for ZVSA. Welcome everybody. So welcome. Today we have a good day, and we expect a huge volatility and a huge green day for today. So let's get right to it and start our live streaming for today. Let me just put this there and that there. Perfect. How everybody doing? Xander, Tribal, Emily, False Papers, thank you for updating everybody for the news for today. Thank you, brother. Good morning, TJ, Kevin, Dave. Good morning, everybody. Let's see a green day. Let's see a huge pump for today. Last hunt that we did, it was for PHUN. It was a really good hunt for everybody. Hopefully you watch our video on YouTube. And of course, hopefully you watch our chart analysis update for PHUN. We suggest to take profit around this breakout, the 32, and we hit the 49. Guess what happened? We had the huge selling pressure in after hours. We got some news about an offering. That's why we suggest, guys, don't hold those stocks overnight. Market closed, and we suggest everybody take profit. Guess what? Flush 63%. Right now 63%, and yesterday I think was 70 or more than 63%. Yes, now it's holding a current support. So this one is dangerous. PHUN is dangerous, but I'm still keeping it here just in case. MAT jumped today and some news going on, so that's why we jumped yesterday 20%, and the pre-market now is 10%. ROI, I'm still waiting for a breakout from the 20 cent. So in the time being, we watching Mimo, guys. Mimo broke the support, big seller around the 31. So we didn't hold, unfortunately, over the 27. We broke. So now I'm waiting for another dip to buy Mimo. Okay, let's see, everybody. If you can hear me, let me know in comment section below. And let's kick our live streaming. Fold Papers. From your profile picture, I can see that you are really like a gamer, hard gamer. Just from the profile picture, I know this guy. He always do live streaming. BTBI new high. I will check it right now. BA reversing. We have some stocks to watch. Right now. Let me just check. BTBI. The other one, ELAB. The other one is BA. We'll check those three stocks right now because we don't want to miss any opportunity. BTBI, nice. Yes, 62%. And doing a new high. Let me just check where we gonna go for this one. I think we have the $2.39, but before that we have, I think this area is kind of dangerous. This area is dangerous. Oh man, why we have this lag? Okay, I will start a new and delete this, go back to the original. Yes, sometimes TradingView kind of lag, so I have to close the thing. Anyway, so this one could run, everybody. This one could really run. So I'm watching BTBI. Thank you for the reminder, brother. This one looking interesting and just jumped right now. BTBI, would watch it. ELAB, not good here. It's really dead now. We had a good jump for this stock before, but I'm watching for the 154 as a break. Then I will watch for those levels. But ELAB, not today. Yesterday, 18% down. We have Boeing jumping 1% from the bottom. 197, as we suggested before, 197 is the support for Boeing. Yes, 197, and we broke the trend, the bullish trend here back in the beginning of this year. We have a huge pullback. So yeah, Boeing is started to reverse from the bottom as we discussed before. ZJYL. It's not done. It's not done until I say it's done. ZYGL or ZJYL. Let's check. No, it's not done yet. We have a support here. So it's not done yet, brother. It's not done yet. We have the $66 ZYGL. I think we have reverse split, guys. Yes. Did we had a reverse split? Nope, not yet. But yeah, we have a resistance to break around the 149, and now it's 115. Yes, 149 is the breakout, but it's really light now at the volume. Yesterday we did 35, but now we have to watch BTBI because it did a really good jump in like in just 5 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. We have jumped over 50%, and now it's pulling back, of course. Pulling back time for BTBI. This one is near the support. This one is still okay. BFRG is still okay, I think, still holding the support. Let's do a quick run for all the stocks. We might have something hidden. Okay, today is Wednesday. Okay, riot. Still going down. So we might have a test for this box after all. $10.65. So this is the support, as we suggest before, that we should have a reversal. So Riot and Coinbase and Mara will take a bit of time for a reversal, like what happened before. Look at this. We have a plunge down back in July, and we plunged, and then this, and plunged down. Then the reversal happened here after we accumulated for some month, I think, September, October, November, 3 months. Then we squeezed up. You see here, this has happened for Riot. We've got a sell-off started here. We started to sell off for 1 month. Then we accumulated for almost 1 month. Then we squeeze it again. Here, on the other hand, we started to flush since just 19 days, guys. 19 days. So we have to give room for a reversal. So we expect another another 20 days for selling pressure. After that accumulation here, then continue to go up. So this one should be a swing trade, and of course we have to wait for months. So maybe we'll give it until maybe March. Next March maybe we're gonna have something for a reversal. Not now. Coinbase the same, Mara the same, all of them about to test a major support. Look at this, major support. So we have to be patient. BTBI is still holding. Yes, it's still holding here. Mimo could be a really good trade for today, but I think, guys, we've got a big seller now. Yes, a big seller right now here. Yeah, around the 27. Let's see if we break the 27 now. Would be good if we broke the 27 now. We might have the squeeze. Just right now, if we broke the 27.78, we might have early reversal. If we don't break now, we're gonna go toward the 22. Kevin, what's the main watch? The main watch is Mimo, ZVSA, BFRG, and BTBI. For the people who just came in, watch out. Mimo, this one we're already hunted in the pre-market, guys, here. Pre-market. Yesterday we hunted for PHUN, of course, chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming. That's what we do, guys, here in our Discord and Patreon. We always do chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming, and before our live streaming here on YouTube, we do two videos. First one is a pre-market watch list, and the second one is live streaming, where we hunted Mimo, and we took 20% on this trade. We entered 26 and we exited around the 30. And again, we have another entry right now for another pump toward the 31, 35, and the 42. So this one have another breakout, guys. 27 looking good. Let me just adjust the resistance here. Okay, let me adjust the support. Yes, 25.31, and just this support there. Perfect, guys. We have a nice support, 25.30. Resistance right now for this one around the 31.68. Mimo looking good, everybody, watch out. Mimo looking good. BFRG looking good, held our support, the $3.21. Again, this one we entered in pre-market as well, around the $3.16, around this accumulation. So if we go here, we see that we have an entry for this one around the $3.16 in the pre-market, and now is around the $3.29. We have a support around the $3.21. If we held here is perfect, is mean we could hold the trade, breaking even or even with little profit. If the market open and we have a flush here, I'm gonna exit quickly. If we held, is mean we're gonna have a breakout and continue to go higher. Again, this is not a financial advice for this one. Let's see what's gonna happen for today, guys. We have a huge day coming ahead. The MAT have a huge pump and now is dumping down. Yes, we waiting for the news to confirm. That's why we don't have enough buyers after we have the breakout. We watched the breakout here around the 10 cents, but we didn't have enough volume. You know why? Because the news is not confirmed. If we have a huge news, we could have pumped, but we didn't. PH1 at the other hand, we have a flush. We had a flush. That's why we suggest yesterday to take your profit. That's why we suggest to take your profit. You see it here, PHUN breakout. We said 31 and profit taking 49. And now is around 16, yeah, 15 cents. Dangerous, man. It's dangerous. Interesting. Interesting. So the forecast we have not bad. The U.S. economy doing not bad for this year. For GME, yesterday 5% and today 1%. It's getting near the support, everybody. The 1350 from the last earning last year. This is where we're gonna have the confirmation for GameStop, the big buyer, if it's still there or not. Because we spotted the first weakness for GameStop here. Exactly there, you see. Once we have double top around the 1849, our resistance back in December, we went down. Since then we said this is a weakness and we went 22%. Now we getting near a reversal. What does mean reversal? Is mean we're gonna have a pump up, and once we pump up we have a major resistance after that around the $15. Guess what's gonna happen? Here we're gonna have a reversal, test the $15. Once we test the $15, if we didn't break it, boom, we're gonna go down toward the $10. Yeah, the $10 should be the bottom for the coming month. So watch out, guys. The 14 or the 15 should be the most important level to confirm if GME will go up or down. If it go up or down, if we break, it mean good. If we didn't break, it mean we're gonna test the 1350, no hold, a new low for GameStop around the $10. And $10 should be a good average. Let me just check how much we can do if we went toward the $20. Another 26%. Another 26%. Blorakits, you are welcome, brother. Thank you for the reminder for GameStop, because yeah, I stopped watching GameStop and it's getting near a really good support. So yeah, we have to do update for GameStop for all the apes, because we have a critical moment for GameStop. Theodore, hello man. How are you doing, brother? Yeah, for Nicola, the same with Nicola. The same with GameStop, because Nicola is getting near an interesting bottom, everybody, that 53. Like, look at this. We don't have, yeah, we broke the new low before around the 67. We didn't hold the 73. So yeah, Nicola, I'm watching for the bottom around the 53. So this would be a really good bottom to buy, Nicola. Because you see here the short seller adding, and every time we have a new low or a new higher low, I think, yes, or lower highs, yes, every time we have lower highs, and this is confirming that the short adding every time, adding, and now is going toward the 53, and the pre-market is around the 63 cents. And our bottom is the 53 cents. So we're missing 10 cents for a reversal for Nicola. Again, we need to be patient. Mimo. Guys, this one is not ready to pump yet. We've got the 25 as a support. Watch out. As long as we hold that support is good. If we held here, this is good. This means we're gonna have a pump up. Otherwise, I'll be waiting to buy the dip. This one will be a good dip hunting. This one is about to break our support around the 85. BTBI broke the support here. Gonna lower the support there. BTBI, guys, looking good. GameStop, I'm gonna take it from the list. Mimo, BFRG. So guys, all the stocks are below our resistance. All the stocks that we're watching are below the resistance. As we said, just as a reminder, because we have just 6 minutes before the market open. Before the market open, we hunted Mimo. It was the top gainer for today. And we discussed it today, of course, on our hunt here, on our live streaming pre-market, because we do 2 live streaming, one on our picture on Discord and the other right now on YouTube. And why? Because before, like 2 hours before the market opened, there's much opportunity to hunt. That's why Mimo, it was good in the pre-market because we entered here around the 26 and we took 20% in just few minutes around the 30. And we exited with our profit. That's why we suggest every time exit with your profit. So this one, it was a good trade in the pre-market and we're still waiting for another entry. BFRG, again, this one we entered here, guys, around the $3.16. And we're still holding this trade because it's still looking good. As you can see here, BFRG, price average $3.16, and we're still holding this trade because it's still looking good. We have the support around the $3.21. Again, this one we hunted in the pre-market live streaming on our Discord and Patreon. And the new one that we got, we saw it, or one of you asked us for this one, is BTBI. And the other one, of course, is ZVSA. So we have just 4 stocks, guys. 2 we hunted in pre-market, and the other we're gonna hunt again during the market open. So before the market open, we have 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget to share our live streaming. Comment if you have any question. Express your feeling. Let us know what you want to see more. The most important thing here to grow and learn from each other, guys. That's why we do our live streaming, to share our knowledge, and sharing is caring. Sometimes we don't see some stocks, and for some of you give us the advice to watch some stock, and we could actually make good profit by sharing. Thank you again in advance, and we have just 4 minutes left on the market open. So the disclaimer, just remember our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you, and never run after the price. Emily, ROI, and Boyle, ROI. Whoa, ROI is pumping. Yes, Emily, exactly. ROI doing all right just before the market open. Yeah, it was a good reversal here. 40%, and it's still pumping. ROI looking good. ROI, I think we're halted right now for ROI. No, not halted. Still moving. Okay, we got resistance around the 26. Watch out, everybody. ROI, I put it down because it looked good now. MAT still no. This one, PHUN started to move, guys, because we started to have a bottom here. 15. I think we have a support here for PHUN. Maybe I'm gonna have an entry for PHUN because we've got support right there. Yes, support. I'm gonna have a little entry because it's really risky here. Okay. PHUN, guys, we have a nice support around the $15 or 15 cents. So PHUN looking good for a reversal. We have the 17. We've got 23. Yeah, PHUN looking good, guys, for a reversal for today. Huge reversal bound to happen right now. Look at this, a huge pump just 2 minutes before the market open. I'm gonna put PHUN down because it looked good. Let me just check the other stocks that moving just before the market open, because every time we have some action it happen, or big whale buying just before the market open. So I'm just watching if we have unusual activity. Roma, guys, Roma, we have unusual activity for Roma. Yes, Roma, I'm gonna put it down as well because it looked crazy in the pre-market. BFRG is, yeah, seeing a bit of weakness here. You know what? I'm gonna close BFRG, guys, with little profit here. We have a bit of weakness. I'm gonna close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close BFRG, guys. Really risky here. Close it with little profit. We entered around the $3.16 and we took profit around the $3.21. So little profit. I don't trust it now. I will enter if we broke the $3.47. I'm watching Mimo for buying the dip. Okay, guys, market open. Let's get right to it. ZVSA, the same. I think this one, I'm gonna close it. ZVSA. Let me just check. Yeah, it's really weak here. I'm gonna close it very very early here. It's not looking good. And I'm going go PHUN. PHUN still okay. Mimo, okay. BFRG moving. ROI is going down a bit. Roma is pumping, guys. Roma is really strong now. We have unusual activity for Roma. Okay, BFRG is moving. I will enter if we broke the $3.47. Waiting. Good afternoon, John. Mimo. This one could be a good gainer for today. I think Roma's halted. Roma's halted, guys. SYNX is halted as well. It's not good, guys. Watch out for Roma because it's halted and reverse from a good bottom. So maybe I'm gonna add for Roma. PHUN, let me just check PHUN. Yeah, I think we have a weakness here for PHUN. Okay, maybe I'm gonna enter after we break the 1770. Gonna take it from the list. BFRG looking good. Is about to break our resistance, so I'll be ready to enter again for BFRG if we broke. Yes, maybe I'm gonna have a good entry here. We allowed to open just 2,000 shares, I think. Yes. BFRG, I will enter after we break the 347. Roma halted. Mimo still. RY not good now. BTBI not good. MAT, we have a breakout here. MAT guys looking good. Now I would watch for this resistance for MAT around the 97. Mimo looking good, guys. Mimo looking good for a breakout. Watch out. We have BFRG. Whoa, breaking entry for BFRG looking good. We have a breakout. BFRG, we have a breakout, everybody. BFRG looking good. Okay. We have to hold, yes, we have to hold this 1 minute candle over the $3.47. Still not yet confirmed, the breakout is still not yet confirmed. Yes, now, yeah, it's confirmed. Boom. We have a squeeze here, $3.61. $3.66. BFRG is jumping, guys. Watch out. $3 is 68. We have a good entry around the $3.52 and it's still jumping higher. We have the $3.85 for BFRG looking good. Roma is still halted. Mimo is still not break. RY, BTBI, MAT. Yes, BFRG is the one to watch. For Roma, brother, Roma is halted. We've got a support to hold the $3.40. We've got a resistance to break is around the $6.26 or profit taken. So watch out for those level, brother. 11.11 and $7.99 is the profit taken. So if you entered right now before the halting, make sure to take profit around the $6.15 just in case, because here we might get rejected. Let me just check here. We have profit, or let me just take, yeah, the resistance $6.26. BFRG is still pulling back. Just testing the breakout here. Let me just adjust this support. We have the $3.40 to hold. And now we have a resistance, guys, $3.85 for this one to break. And guys, I'm gonna be ready for Roma. I'm gonna be ready for Roma after the unhalting, because this one could run for today. I will have positioned open ready. Yes, this one could really run. We have support for Roma to hold on after the unhalting over the 424 to confirm a huge buyer. Mimo, guys, Mimo is about to squeeze. Watch out. Mimo, we already hunt this one in the pre-market, and we have another hunt for Mimo, and now it's jumping. Let me see if we could add again. How much we could add again? Yes, pumping. This one's going, guys. Mimo, this one hit our profit taking 35, right around the 35, guys. Right around the 35, as we said, 35 got hit. PHUN is running. Whoa, PHUN, we have a breakout for PHUN. Let's see PHUN again. Yeah, we have a breakout, guys, for PHUN from the 1770. So we might have a run for PHUN. I will add a small position here for PHUN. Roma is still halted. This one going down. This one doing all right. Yes, Mimo, guys, Mimo looking good. Mimo looking good, and testing again the 35. We have a bit of struggle here. Maybe I'm gonna take profit here for Mimo because we might have a pullback. Yes, 35, man, the 35 as we suggest in the pre-market. Emily, as we said, the 35 we hit it right now. The other target for Mimo is around 42, so we might go toward the 42 right now. BFRG looking okay. PHUN is squeezing. BHUN, guys, is squeezing. We have a breakout from the 1770. Next target for BHUN is the 2383. Make sure to take profit there, guys. Yes, around 2245 for Mimo, for PHUN. After that, we have the 29. So make sure to take profit for PHUN right around the 2245. Mimo, we have a bit of pullback. 35 major resistance. 35 is a major resistance. Before it was a profit taken. Let's see if we break it right now. Let's see PHUN. Yes, PHUN will be ready to take profit around the 2245, guys. PHUN, make sure to take profit around the 2245 before a pullback. Mimo, make sure to take profit, guys. We have a huge resistance around the 35. Maybe I'm gonna take profit here for Mimo, guys. Let me just check again. Yeah, we have almost 8%. I'm gonna take profit, then enter once again. Waiting for another push up. Okay, I exited with Mimo, guys. I'm waiting for another entry. And oh man, PHUN, I missed BHUN. I'm gonna take profit right now before the pullback. PHUN, as we said, guys, you see here we have a good entry around the 1914. So now we should take profit because the price might go and pull back on us because we already have 7% here after we enter around this 1914. And yes, we suggest to take profit around the 22. So I'm gonna take exit right now for BHUN. As we see here, the 22, as we said, guys, is the resistance as we suggest to take profit. Now is pulling back. Mimo pulling back, of course, as we said, the 35 is the resistance. Roma, yes, Roma unhalted, guys. Roma unhalted. Watch out. Roma is doing all right. Watch out. $4.24 should be our support for today for Roma. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush. Roma unhalted. BFRG, guys. Now we watching BFRG. BFRG looking good. We have an entry around the $3.52. $3.52 right now, $3.85. Huge resistance here. I might take my profit here, guys. Now we are 6% on this trade, 7%, getting near a resistance. $3.85 is the resistance. If we broke, we're gonna have a squeeze. If we didn't, we're gonna have a flush. $3.75. PHUN. You see what's happened, guys? As we suggest, take profit. 22 is the profit. You see? We entered around this breakout and we took profit there. Now we're waiting for another entry. Roma halted down. Mimo, on the other hand, is still holding. I exited around the 35 and now waiting for entry over the 35. And this one, BFRG, have a struggle to break the $3.85. So this is the breakout zone, guys, for BFRG. Yes, Roma is held it down. Xander, of course, BFRG is doing a great move. BFRG need time to break the $3.85. Let me just check the halted stock. ZYGL or ZGYL, ZJYL is halted. So we have two stocks halted up or halted down for Roma. ZJYL. This one could be a good stock to watch. ZJYL. Yes, getting near the breakout, but I don't like this stock. Mimo, guys. Mimo, maybe I'm gonna have another entry. Roma halted down. PHUN down. PFRG pulling back a bit. And now it's pulling back more. $3.85 is the... Oh man, this one is flushing now. I think I'm gonna exit right now for this one. Maybe I'm gonna exit right now. I don't like this reaction. Yeah, you see, this is one of the stock that you should exit really early before the resistance. I saw this weakness. So this is a good lesson, guys. There's two strategy or two things that happen if you bought around the breakout or here around the support. You should exit here before the resistance because we have hidden sellers, we have dark pool, we can't see the seller here. So the best idea is to take profit. Sometimes it's good to hold because the stock is squeezing anyway. And we might get halted up and you missed a huge pump by taking profit early. So yeah, this one is a tricky trade, really tricky. We didn't have a smooth breakout. But yeah, I exited with small loss instead of good profit. But it's a good lesson because now it's continued to go down. If we go toward the $3.05, I will not feel FOMO. If we went really down, like around the $3.05, we might have a good entry again. BHUN still holding. Roma, this one still holding. ROI, yo, this one is really strong here. Dots, wow, 38% for today, this one. Mulan 8%, guys, testing our support again, the $10.45. Nikola 2% is getting near the bottom, guys. New low around the 60 cents. A new low, watch out. Nikola, new low. Mimo, we might have a pullback because we didn't break the 35 yet. It's getting weak. It's getting weaker here. I think we had a bit of, yes, strong. We should hold this pattern here. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush, guys. Watch out. I think we're gonna have a flush soon for Mimo. Look at this trend. It's about to be broken. If we broke, it means we're gonna have a flush down toward the 20 again here. And this one will be really big, guys. Almost 33%. 33% if we have a pullback for this one. It would be really big. If we pull back, it would be really big, guys. That's why those stocks I enter, I exit quickly. I don't hold. ROI, we got a breakout. What a nice reversal for ROI. 84 here. from the 1997. MAT, we have a nice support we held over the 75. Again, we held over a new support for BFRG, the $3.32. This could be a reversal zone for BFRG. Maybe we could do something here. Oh man, today I'm really thirsty. I don't know why, but I feel really thirsty. I can drink a lot of water without stopping. Okay, let me just check. Roma still hold it down. Mimo still no action. PHUN, BFRG, ROI, LQR. LQR still holding here. Let me just take that. Watch out for the 197 support. 197 support or 195 support, and the resistance is 270, profit 360 and 516. Let me just check if it's good level. Nope. Profit taken is around the $3.15 and around the $3 $3.65 exactly. LQR, brother, those are the level that you should watch out for. Yes, Mimo is still strong, guys. Volume, okay, 160 million. This one is the top gainer for today. This one by far is the top gainer, and I think we might have action for it still. PHUN, pump and dump. Watch out, guys. We might have a dump right now because it's testing our support. If we broke the 17, it's not good. Really not good. Roma. Oh man, Roma is going to the depths. We didn't hold the support. Watch out for the $3.40. If we broke it, is mean game over for Roma. PHUN holding the support tightly. Mimo is about to squeeze everybody. If we broke the 35, I might have another entry. If we broke the 35, I might have another entry. Really, this one could be it. The other stocks is not good. Roma is going to the depth. ROI maybe, BTBI maybe. But yes, we have Mimo. Yes, Mimo looking really interesting. And of course, guys, this stock we hunted back in the pre-market live streaming here around the 26. And now, oh man, now is about to squeeze once again. So I will be ready for entry again for this one because it's preparing for another squeeze. Yo, 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 this one is crazy. Are we gonna have a pump? Yes, pump, 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 pump. 35, 35. Yes, testing still. Watch out, guys, it's still testing. We have another support here. Mimo is mean business. I will put support here, 28.23. 48.84 is the next target for Mimo. As we said, guys, we hunted this one on our pre-market live streaming today. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. It was a really good hunt for today for Mimo. Let me just check where we hunted exactly. Mimo, Mimo, Mimo. It was really good hunt, guys, on the pre-market here. We saw the support around the 22 and we said the 35 is the resistance and profit taken, and we had a really good entry here for Mimo. As you can see here, we have a target. We entered around the $3.16 as you can see here exactly, and this was an hour pre-market live streaming. And now we have another entry. Boom, huge pump, guys. 35 going toward the 42.84. Come on, Mimo is the top gainer, 350. Yesterday we have PHUN jumping 500, and this one right now doing 350. Okay, we don't have a breakout yet. Yes, we don't have a breakout yet. 35, 1 minute. Again, man, this is every time it happens. We have a breakout, but the 1 minute candle didn't close up. So we have a fake out here. We didn't close yet. We need 1 minute candle to close here. Now we pushing back down. Watch out, if we broke here, is mean a fake out for sure. The 28.23. If we broke this support, is mean this is a fake out. Watch out, everybody. This is really warning sign, guys. Usually we have this kind of reaction, a fake out. This is a really good lesson for you guys. Fake out is mean the stock is pumping and don't hold a candle over, and we have a huge seller, price go down. And the confirmation for a fake out, if we broke right now the 28, this is the support that we should hold, at least for the smaller time frame. In the big time frame is the support that we should hold is the 20-30. This is okay to pull back, but now we have to watch out for another retest for the 35. Otherwise, we're gonna have a push back down and confirmation for a big seller coming in here around the 35. BFRG, Roma. Yes, Roma still holding the $3.40, everybody. And I think we are halted up now. Roma halted up. Nice. Roma is halted up. And Mimo is still struggling to retest the 35. ROI looking good. ROI looking good. Yes, ROI looking good. Exactly. We are about to have a breakout now around the 27.38. Is about to have the test right now, 27.38. Mimo, guys, is still holding. This time, if we held and break the 35, would be it. Would be it. Alvaro, nice hunt, brother. Alvaro just hunt with us. Mimo, he sold right around our resistance, the 35, and he got 34% gain. Nice. Remember, everybody, we always do our live streaming each day here. As you can see, The hunt that we did for Mimo was in the pre-market live streaming. Before this live streaming, we always do pre-market live streaming each day, guys. You see here, each day we do live streaming to hunt for a stock that's jumping in pre-market. For this one, we entered around the 26 and we exited around here, the 31. Price pulled back, we entered again, we took profit around the 35 because it was our resistance profit taking. As you can see here, we discussed it in the pre-market. We said the 35 exactly is the resistance, and when we have we tested, of course we tested right now. Once the market opened, we have two tests. You see here, big seller, as we suggest that we should take profit at, is the 35. The other stock that we hunted for today, it was PHUN. We took profit on the 22 after we entered around the 1770 breakout. And this is one of Emily. Yes, Emily warned us about this breakout. I really totally forgot it. Thank you, Emily, for reminding us about PHUN break. Steven said BFRG trying to pump. BFRG try to pump. Yes, exactly that. BFRG, guys, started to try to pump again. BFRG, we have the $3.32 as a support. BFRG, $3.32 as a support. $3.85 is the resistance right now. PHUN, Mimo is still holding. Roma's halted up. Everybody, I think, is still halted up around the 4. No, unhalted, I think. Yes, Roma is unhalted, guys, but they still have a gap to fill here between the 460 and the 430. We should fill the gap here. BFRG, PHUN still, and Mimo, guys, is still holding the support, the 28. So we have a small range for Mimo to squeeze. Yes, between the 35 and 28. If we broke from the 35, it's a squeeze up. If we broke from the 28, it's a squeeze down toward the 20. So this is a good trade here. There's accumulation going on. This means there's a huge buyer and seller buying and selling at the same time. So that's why we have a balance between the buyers and sellers. And you see here we have a really good consolidation area. So I'm watching closely. Those the stock that we have to watch for today. The rest is okay. ROI, I don't like ROI, guys. You know why? Because we don't have a clear breakout. See here, we don't have a clear breakout because this one is volatile. Really volatile. Yes, sir. This one I don't like. BTBI, MAT is pumping from a huge bottom. Again, this one I don't like as well. It's kind of tripping on drug is not normal. This is not normal stock. BTEL, okay. Let's go back to Mimo, guys. Mimo is moving. Mimo holding perfectly over our support and now is moving to 35. %, 163 million. This is one of the top volume gainer for today, I think. Let me just check again here. Yes, this is the top volume gainer for my opinion. The rest is nothing. Compared to this one, is nothing. Let me just check this one. We got EOLS is crawling up slowly, but really low volume. As everybody knows, low volume stock is really tricky to trade. Low volume stock is good if you want to just hold them for swing trade for a long time. Is okay, you don't care about the volume. But if you want to day trade them, you have to watch for the volume because you want to enter and exit quickly. Otherwise, you're getting stuck. BFRG and PHUN is doing really alright here. Yeah, so we're watching BFRG and PHUN, both of them reversed from a good support. PHUN 1770, this is the support, and BFRG the $3.32. Really good support, guys, for both of them. Yeah, BHUN is about to break again. Testing the resistance 22. I think we got some breakout here. Now we have to watch out for the 20 as support for PHUN to hold over. We have the 1770. Target to hit after that is the 29. Exactly, it's pumping. You know what, we have some level to take profit, 24, and after that around the 29. So we have two profit taken for BHUN to take profit, 24 and 29, guys. We have a breakout now. BHUN is going toward the profit taken. Nice. As we said, guys, today we're gonna have a huge green day, and that's what we gonna get. Huge green day. PHUN reversing. We have a bit of resistance. Now we have a bit selling pressure, so we have to watch out for the 20 cent as a support, 24 as a profit taken. BFRG pulling back big time because we've got the resistance here, $3.68. Normal stuff. And Mimo still holding. Roma not good now. RY pulling back. Yes, pulling back here. BTBI still holding. BTBI, maybe I'm gonna lower the resistance there. We have a good resistance around the 155. MAT not good. DWAC, we have a good breakout for DWAC, guys. Nice. Is moving with the PHUN. I will put it down just in case here. RVSN is moving. Let's check the... Okay, AMD is red finally. Finally we have a bit of red for AMD. Yes, this is the resistance now, and this is the support. We did a really good day yesterday for AMD. Okay, Mimo testing the support. PHUN. Yeah, PHUN is pumping toward the 2475. PFRG, I'm still waiting for the $3.68 break. But now PHUN going toward the profit taken, 24.75. Watch out, PHUN. How everybody doing? Let's see. Hopefully everybody is green today. Yeah, we got a good target for mini stocks for today. PHUN pumping from the bottom. We've got Mimo, the newcomer for today, did really great. PFRG the same, and DWC just had a breakout from the 2285. And BFRG, maybe this one would be good. It was good from the pre-market, as we suggest to enter here, guys, around $3.16. It was perfect entry here. Really good entry. Really good entry from the $3.16. Yes, 13%. So if you want to enter quickly and early for those stocks like what we did today, you can join us in the pre-market live streaming on YouTube, on our Patreon Discord. So you join our Patreon, the link comes section below, of course, guys. And after that, you have access to our Discord and live streaming to enter for Mimo and the other stocks, PFRG, that we discussed today, of course. You see here, we have the breakout, and we entered just around or before the breakout over the $3.04. We said this is the support. So even for BFRG, it was a good hunt for our hunters today on our Discord and Patreon. Okay, DWC taking all the energy from PHUN. PHUN is red, DWC is green. This is good that we reverse in the pre-market until now. Guys, 80% from this dip from yesterday. 80% from this dip. Wow. Yes, yesterday just around 11. You buy here 300%, then you buy the dip and you get 80% again. Nice. TSP, use short. TSP. Yeah, there's nothing here, man. It's not good. Mimo is still holding the support 28, guys. So this is the chance for a reversal. because if we're still holding the 28 as we discussed before, guys, it means there's the big buyer is still there and there's a chance for a pump. PHUN, another pump toward the 24 right now, a new high, guys, a new high right now. PHUN, okay, now 2350. We might have the 24, guys. We need the 24 right now. 24. Let me adjust the support. Yeah, we have adjusted support now around the 2145. 2145 is the current support. Resistant or profit is 2475. BCT, yes, it's still there, brother, still there. 3% right now. Yeah, 3% in the pre-market, but it still doesn't look that good. Even technically doesn't look good. It's really risky, man. This one is really risky. PHUN is going toward the 2475. BFRG still waiting for the $3.68 break. DWAC, guys, hitting the profit taken right around the 2583. You see what's happened here? Huge red candle after testing the profit. Yeah, now is a waiting game. We have a waiting game for PHUN. Now the 24. Okay, PHUN is going toward our profit taken, the 24. Make sure to take profit, guys, for PHUN. Make sure to take profit right now. I might take profit as well for PHUN because we might have a pullback at any time. 24.75 could be a big pullback zone for this one. Yeah, we're gonna have a pullback. We're gonna have a pullback. Watch out. PHUN is gonna have a pullback now. So we have almost 10% on this trade. So I'm gonna take a profit right now. Right now I'm gonna take profit. Yes. I'm gonna take profit right now, guys, just in case. Just in case, right now, taking profit. Thank you, Fate. See you tomorrow for another hunt. Yeah, correction time is coming right now for PHUN. That's why I took profit for PHUN, guys. We're gonna have a correction. That's why I exited from this trade for PHUN. PFRG, let me just check. PFRG is about to squeeze everybody. PFRG looking really good, and Mimo, both of them looking really good for today. BFRG and Mimo, those are the stock that I'm watching right now closely. Hit the like button and the way in. Everybody, don't forget to hit the like. We have almost 100 people watching. 100, imagine, and just 30 people just liking. It means some people just forgetting or they didn't take their coffee yet, because in the United States it's still early and people can't think straight, so I can't understand what's going on. Guys, I have something going on right now. This is the first time really I got this. Let me just show you what's going on. Yeah, PHUN was really wise to close the trade right around this resistance as we suggested, 24. That's why we pull him back. PFRG, we're still waiting for a breakout, and Mimo, we're still waiting for a breakout. So far so good, everybody. Yeah, I know. Busy hunting, exactly. Whoa, John, he said it's snowing a lot in the United States. Hopefully everybody's safe and cozy. Here in France it's sunny and we don't have any snow, man. Nothing. I really want like the weather to get really cold in order to go swimming in the lake, you know. If the lake would get ice cold, I'm trying to do the challenge by swimming or have a huge plunge in the ice cold water in the lake. This is on my list to do, man. I think the only way to do that is to go to Antarctica or go to the North Pole, or in Europe go to Sweden or Norway to have this kind of experience. Going to have a huge dip in the lake, ice frozen lake. I have to do that. Okay. Watch out, guys. Mimo and PFRG have the same reaction. Yeah, John, I'm preparing for that. Each day I take cold showers. After coming back from the gym, every day, cold showers. No excuse, I don't think. I pretend that I don't have hot water, and go cold water without thinking. Yes, John, do that. Xander, 71 Fahrenheit degrees here and sunny. Nice. Arizona's always sunny over there. John, I do the try to do the like both. Try to do both of them. Like take a hot shower, not hot shower, but like go in a sauna, sitting in a sauna in like 30 minutes or 25 minutes. Then take cold shower. Is the best experience you will ever have, man. It's crazy good. ROI, we have reversal, yes. Roma, nothing much, got shorted big time. DWC, pull back. PHUN, pulling back. BFRG is about to squeeze. So let's tune in to BFRG, guys, because it's about to squeeze here. Look at this beautiful chart, man. Yeah, BFRG, maybe we're gonna have an entry here. Come on. Man, I have something coming up right now. My system running out from application memory. This is madness. This is the first time I have this on my Mac, guys. I have something right now, and like a warning, tell me that I don't have memory, and my Mac have almost 8 gigabytes of memory. This is crazy. I think there's a virus or something. This is really madness. You see, we have a bit of lag here. Again. I think I have to turn off my like my browser in order to have the memory set up from the 0. PHUN LIQR retake. Texas is 10 Fahrenheit right now. I think maybe I'm gonna take Patreon because I have Discord and Patreon opened in my my browser, and I think brother, the main idea is buy my malware bytes. Is it good? I'm gonna check it out right now, and I think the most problem is that I don't reboot or I don't close my MacBook. Like I always keep it open 24 hours, and this is not good, I think, for freeing some cache. I always let my MacBook open. I don't close it. Okay, this one is about to squeeze, guys. You know what? I'm gonna take a coffee break. I'm gonna take coffee break, guys, or tea break right now, because I need to recoup before this breakout. Maybe, yes, this one could be a really good hunt, guys. I will be preparing for entry here. This one could be really good. Forget, this one is just 2,000 shares. Whoa, we have a huge pump here. Yo, guys, this one is preparing for a huge pump and dump. We have a huge pump and dump here. Huge wick. This is dangerous, guys. This one is dangerous. Okay, so PFRG is preparing for a huge pump, guys. Watch out. We have a triangle here. Price tested and got rejected. So this one, if it's pumped, we might get halted. Remember, guys, as we said, we always do pre-market update for those stocks. Today in pre-market live streaming, we hunted PFRG around this bottom. As we said, we check this breakout in the pre-market, and we said the entry is here, and of course we have our entry there, you see, around the $3.16. And before that, of course, we hunted this one, Mimo, and we have a good entry as well for Mimo as well. So those two stocks we hunted on the pre-market before the market open, and we hunted again once the market open. So sometimes we have a chance to buy those stocks before the market open. So if you want to join us, you can join us here on our Patreon. You have 3 levels: Discipline, Hunter, King, and Elite. And the difference between the last two, you can have one-on-one Zoom meeting, and you have access to swing trade, and of course you have request 3 stocks for the other levels. And of course, Discipline Hunter, you have access to our pre-market update, chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming. And of course, the pre-market live streaming is good because you have a better entry for those stocks. Okay, so PFRG is pulling back down, guys. Watch out. PFRG is pulling back down. Okay, I will just put the link for our Patreon Discord again down, just in case. And let me just take a bit of 5 minutes, guys, 5 minutes to fix a cup of tea and coming back, because Mimo is still holding. PFRG tried to break, but we didn't. PHUN is still holding the support, so we don't have another stock is pumping. So let's take a bit 5-minute break, tea break. So don't move anywhere. And if someone come in right now, just let him know to bless the like button and let him know that we go live each day 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you, everybody. I will come back in just 5 minutes. Okay, welcome back everybody. Still nothing much happened. Nothing much. Interesting. Mimo still holding the support. BFRG still holding the support. PHUN broke kind of the support, or still holding the first support, of course. Roma, this one went to our bottom support, the 263. RY, nothing much for RY. Yes, John, exactly. Huge dip and reversal. For BCEL, 25% already. Interesting. Yeah, we have a reversal, but there is a trick here. Yeah, the 30 cent is the current support now. 30 cent. And the resistance now is around the 44. Profit taken 61. LQR already discussed it before, brother. And now is hitting the profit taken. The $3.15. We already discussed it yesterday, I think, LQR. Yes, LQR, I think we discussed it together here. 25 elite request. LQR. I think, John, you asked me about LQR yesterday. Yes? Yes, here. So John, one of our elite hunter, asked us about LQR. He said LQR, huge short and recovery. So we did this short analysis or chart analysis. And yeah, we suggest the 270 as a profit. And we went around the 270 and now 315. Hitting the profit taken and it's going down big time now. LQR looking good from a recovery. Yeah, John, this one was really good call yesterday. Yes, really good recovery, brother. Let me just add another. Let's go to Mimo. I'm still waiting for this one to have a pump. Roma, we got a big seller. Big seller is still there, around the $3.48. Yes, so it's dangerous now to enter. Yes, John, we have to keep our eyes open, because once we take our eyes from the market, we miss a lot of opportunities here. Yeah, the market is crazy, guys. The market need a vigilance. The market need vigilance. Okay, Mimo, flashing down. Okay, this one, disappointment. We broke the trend. Yes, safe. This one, guys. This one wasn't good, John. This one wasn't good. You see, sometimes once we checked some stocks that dip, sometimes some stock didn't have the same reactions like LQR. LQR pumped, this one dumped again. You see? So make sure to take profit every time, brother John, because this one have the same reaction as LQR, dumped, pumped, then dumped. So you see what's happened here? Make sure to take profit. Don't just hold. So this is a good example. Safe, it was the same from yesterday, but it didn't recover. PHUN trying to break now the 24. Quick recovery and not recovery, because now it's pumping down again. UAVS. UAVS. Let me just check this one. Not that good. Yeah, BCL looking good as long as we hold the 30 cent. Exactly. 44, as we said, is the resistant. LQR testing the support again. The WAC. Guys, it's about to squeeze again. Watch out. Watch out. This one is about to break again. The WAC doing all right. Let's see if this 1 minute candle closed green. We have 10 seconds. Yeah, the WAC looking good. The WAC looking good, everyone. $28.68 next target. Plus the like button and the win, everybody. We always go live each day 30 minutes before the market open. And chart analysis update, of course, each day after we finish our live streaming. The pre-market alert, always you can see it here. We do live streaming 2 hours before the market open to hunt for a stock like Mimo. Today we hunted for it, PFRG. We entered really on good price average for both of them. And now we're watching the WAC. VLCN. Juan Martinez, one of our supporter on YouTube. Thank you for the support, brother. Thank you for being a member. He asked about VLCN. What's going on, he said. Is barcoding. That's what's going on. There's no action. But we need to hold the 8 cents and then break this resistance to confirm that we have a big buyer, the 13 cent. If we have that, we have profit taken around 17 cent, 30 cent, 41, or lower it here, 25 cent, 41 cent, 61 cent. But we need to hold the current support, the 0.084 to be exact. If we held here, it means we accumulate. Once we break the 13 cent orange line, we're gonna have those profit taken. So it's not bad. Treble check. LYT. LYT. Yes, this one is still weak, but is about to change this very trend here. We have a channel. The stock want to escape from this channel. And once it escaped from this channel, we have a profit taken and resistance around the 33. And then we have another profit taken around the 77. However, we have to escape from this bearish channel. You see, once we break, we're gonna have a huge pump. This one looking good because it's about to break. Really good channel here. DWAC is still pumping, guys, going toward the 28. Watch out, DWAC is doing all right. Let's check if we got another stocks jumping. Let me do my research to see if we got something in the pre-market. Okay, BRQR RVSN. Okay, we got just to watch out. We've got BRQR. Yes, BRQR is breaking out from the 275. Yo, this one looking good. Yo. This one looking good and just broke out on the 277. We might have the $3 and we might have the 369. Yes, still looking good. The other one, RVCN, yes, I think we have it here on the list. Whoa, RVSN is about to break as well. We have good stocks to watch right now. DWAC breakout from the 25. Good breakout. BRQR looking good. BRQR looking good. Still light on volume, this one. RVSN is preparing for a break. We have a pattern here looking interesting good. Really looking interesting good. Even though the volume is really light, but it looked good technically with PRQR. Both of them looking good. Mimo need a bit of time to pull back. BFRG the same, it's holding over the support. We have a huge seller guys here. Let me just show you how much we got shorted here on just this 5 minute alone. We've got the big seller guys here. Yes, $250,000 of selling pressure. Yes, this is a big seller. And before, $500,000. Yes, big seller here. That's why we didn't break the $3.75. So we have to be patient. PHUN the same. We have a big seller around the 24. That's why we took our profit just below the resistance here. And we're waiting for another entry for this one. PHUN got shorted yesterday over 70% in after hours and pre-market reverse from the bottom. It was a good reversal because we entered here guys around the 1770 on the market open. It was great hunt. Let's hit the 50 like. Come on guys, we're missing 3 people to hit the 50 like. Let me just check how much muscle to move one finger. How much muscle you need to move one finger. Okay, let's see. Come on, man. You just need 2 muscles. 2 muscles to move one finger. Just 2 muscle, man. This is it. There's no energy. So if you're afraid of losing energy by liking our live streaming, don't worry. You just move 2 muscle. And how much muscle in the human body? Let's check. How many muscle human body have? 600, man. 600 muscle in the human body. 600. So from the 600 you just use 2 guys. Just 2 to move one finger to press the like button. Come on, if you don't do that, come on, man. This is, you must be the laziest person on earth if you don't want to use 2 fingers or 2 muscles from the 600 muscle that you have in your body. Yes, PHUN offering was yesterday. 1 to 18, yes, yes, it's expected to close by tomorrow. Today is 17th of January. Yes, pulling back. Pulling back. Mimo is moving. BFRG and Mimo have the same reaction. Both of them pulled back at the same time, and both of them are reversing at the same time. RVSN is moving. This one is moving. Ray B, he said, how you say peace in your native tongue. Interesting. It's really hard to pronounce, but I'll try. You have to say as-salam. So peace in Arabic is as-salam. So it depends if you want to make it adjective or verb, or we use it every time. Even if you want to greet someone, you say as-salam alaykum. It means peace upon you. So you see, like, even you see someone, you don't say hi or good morning, or the most thing is used. You can use it all over Arabic country, and they will understand you. You just say as-salam alaykum. It means peace upon you. So we use the word peace everywhere, every time, each day we use it. Ray, don't say Habibi, brother. You don't say Habibi. Habibi, you say it to your loved one. So usually for your friend, a guy friend, you don't say Habibi. You say you say Assalamu alaikum without Habibi. Thank you, brother. PRQR, man, this one is mean business later. This one as well. Mimo, BFRG. What a great hunt for today, guys, for those two stocks. We're watching for another hunt later on, because the game is not over, everybody. The game is not over for today. Because after we finish our live streaming, the hunt will take it over our Discord here. We're gonna do a short analysis update to update you guys. Last hunt we did for PHUN. After we finish our live streaming, we did this short analysis update for entry for PHUN from this resistance, and we closed our profit taken around the 45. Exactly here, 45. We closed our trade for PHUN yesterday around the 21.17. So this is around 9, I think. Yes, 9:15 p.m. Yes, European time. After that, before the market close, we run down big time. So it's back to another update and warning sign for taking profit for many stocks. Of course, for BFRG and the other stocks, because the hunt is not over for both of them. We expect volatility later on, everybody. Mia, check, brother. John just bought it, a stock. MAIA. MAIA. Let's check together. Yes, man. Yes, man. This one looking good. It's pumping right now. Yes, look good, brother. Thank you. But still dangerous. Still dangerous here, because we might have a pullback around the 159. Still dangerous. It's still dangerous. I don't feel comfortable to enter on this one, because we expect pullback. 159 is the breakout, brother. Not now. You see, we have undecision here. Huge wick for this candle. Huge wick, like 8 here. So we have to wait until we break the 159. And if you want to enter now, you have to risk at least 26%. Yes. The $1 is the bottom for this one. $1 is the bottom. But it looked good. You are welcome, Tribal Tech or Tribal Tech. You are welcome, brother. Thank you for the support again. Thank you. Man, I have to say a shout out for our members here, for our supporters. Thank you. Thank you, Emily. Thank you, Tribal Tech, Xander, Dave. Thank you, everybody, to support our channel here. Thank you again. I really appreciate your support from the last year. Xander, of course, Steven. And we have a new hunter, Charles. We have a newcomer, of course, Juan, I think, yes. Thank you for the support. And of course, John, our elite hunter on Patreon. Thank you for give us like a suggestion and warning for some stocks that dipping or pumping. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate your activity and your eagle eye for hunting the stocks. You're getting good, brother. You're getting good every day. This is good. Again, shout out for Juan Martinez, a new hunter on our member channel here on YouTube. Really appreciate everybody that tune in with our hunter channel, our live streaming. Really appreciate you guys. And of course, if you don't have opportunity or you didn't hunt with us early today on our Patreon, Discord, or even on YouTube, and you just came here and you feel a bit FOMO because you don't hunt with us, remember, tomorrow we're gonna do the same. There's another hunt tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. If you want to join early, you can join early by hunt with us on Patreon and Discord. Because the live streaming, we always start early on Patreon and Discord before we go live on our YouTube. So if you want to join early, you can on our Discord and Patreon. And of course, stay safe. And don't run after the price and let the price come to you. This is the most important thing. And always take profit. Don't forget, guys, always take profit. The best lesson is PHUN. Yesterday, we told you guys to exit. Take your profit here. Breakout 32. Take profit around the 49, 42, and 37. Guess what happened after that? Flush, of course. And this update was here, 1929. Or 7:30 p.m. on Central European time. Okay, so almost 3 hours before the market close, and we did this update. But after the market close, everything goes. That's why PHUN sold off big time. So that's why I don't suggest anybody to hold. But we could enter again on the dip, like what we did today. We entered around 1770, and we did a nice another trade. So always take profit, don't get FOMO, guys. This is a good lesson for you guys for PHUN dump after hours. Again, guys, thank you for watching. See you for today update around 8 p.m. CET for our YouTube video update for today. And tomorrow live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you again. See you tomorrow.